Hello everyone, Mike with Views here in our San Jose office here in California. Many of us use the Handyman to fix many things in our house, like some toilets, whatever. But once it gets to the much nicer equipment like the ACs, sometimes it's not a good idea. Reason for that is the warranty. Once the Handyman touches the unit, it's gonna void the warranty because they're not licensed and not authorized to work on the equipment, especially when it's covered under the manufacturer's warranty. If you can avoid it, please do that. This way you can save your warranty and have a peace of mind. And obviously, those extra money paying for the licensed technician gonna offset any problems that might come up. In case there is a problem where you would need to file a claim with the factory so they can ship the new parts and cover the price of the repair and so on. Handyman is not able to do that because no one gonna talk to them. Once you hire the professional, obviously they could do that, and they have all the necessary tools, all the connections, all the accounts with the companies, so they can get the parts and they can fix your system properly. Please do not use Handyman because it's gonna create more problems and gonna void the warranty. Thank you for watching.